you turn up the seat belt just in case?
What?
The seat belt.
Yeah, I gotta get some new ones.
I've tightened it up.
It's good for you. Keep you on your toes. This latch, right? It's on.
Huh?
Yeah, you're okay.
Yeah.
You couldn't get out if I pushed you.
I know.
Later when I'm working on the Jeep, I'll have you come down and work on the radio.
You gonna work later?
Yeah.
Why don't you download it while I'm on inside?
Should download mine if we take it into the house and do that part of it.
I think the downstairs is downloading slow.
Yeah. Sometimes it pops right up, but sometimes it don't. Not 2 bars, you know. Yeah, you're right. The further you get away, the longer it takes.
Yeah. Insert Denoy. How many stoplight when I first came here?
One.
One. Now they have what? 1, 2, 3, 4?
4, yeah, 4 or 5.
4, 5? Or started raining in the mountain. Naghanap kang for sale na yuta. Puerto Rico lang. They have motorcycles in there for sale.
Ooh,
What?
a lot of people live on that stoplight.
Stoplight?
Yeah, we'll run into it here in a minute.
Who's
I
that?
should turn off here or what? Yeah, better safe than sorry, I guess.
Okay.
Maybe it wasn't so bad after all.
Shortcut me. Downtown ni siya. Naray lang. Diri nag-eskwela ako mga bata. Elementary.
Shortcut, but definitely less traffic.
Less traffic. It's not the short on a shortcut. Pidal doy. Oh, noy, dai noy. sa downtown. Radio station nila diha. Good, good. Sikat na balay sa kuhan downtown. High school nila dito sa Pikas. Naaway lang supa. Dry river. Brown water. Good, good. Ang shortcut kay dili shortcut.
Nice rig, you know.
Yeah. Homebound na. Huh?
Cute.
Cute. That's probably Talon's friend.
Probably. No, he's too young to be Talon's friend, probably. Yeah.
No, he was small.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh.
He was short.
Yeah.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Our Chilate County public notice of what?
I'm sure it's for that land, my dear.
Our plan for
For buying on tax sale.
tax sale?
Probably.
Or it's about the dumpster in there? Oh, I don't know.
Maybe.
It's close to the dumpster. Dumpster.